You want to start off by removing all the screws on the edge of the door. There are plenty on the back side, on the bottom, and on the front side. So just go around and remove all of them. There are also some here. Just go down that pole and you'll find plenty of them. There are about 20 or something, maybe even more. So just go around and undo them. After that, there's a hole here, and that's a Torx T10, I think, and you're gonna wanna unscrew it, which is gonna help you remove the door handle. So here I'm showing the T10. That's what you need. So unscrew it. So you are gonna wanna keep unscrewing it all the way. The screw won't come out, but you have to unscrew it until you can't unscrew it anymore, and then you're just gonna wiggle that part out, and it's gonna come out. So here I'm wiggling it and it's out. Then you can remove the handle, but it's got a cable attached to it right there. So just unclip it, pull it towards you. Here I'm removing the cable and then just slide it out. Okay, then there's another T10, I think, here. You will want to unscrew that too, and then your whole door panel will come off. It's best to have two people because it can just fall off and it can scratch your door. Okay, now we're at the door lock. It's held in place with two screws, but first you can remove the electrical connection. Just wiggle it out. Takes a little bit of effort. And also these two screws, they're not Torx bits, they're M6. They're sort of like a star with lots of points. I used a little bit of WD-40 because they were pretty seized in there. They got a blue thread lock on them. So here I am just trying to unscrew them both. Doesn't go easy, but just use WD-40 and take your time. So it's not difficult to replace a door handle, the door lock, but it does take a little bit of time, especially if you haven't done it before. Okay, so one screw is out. As you can see, there's blue thread lock on there. Remove the other one too. And in order to access the door lock better, you're gonna remove the gray frame first. There's a rubber O-ring there, so you just pull it out and try not to lose the rubber O-ring. You're gonna need it. It just slides right out, and put it aside. And then how you're gonna remove the door lock is just lift it up a little bit and then towards you, because there's a catch, there's a metal catch there. So this is the door lock. All you have to do now is unclip the white plastic cover and undo the cable, because you've already unclipped the electrical connection. So here I am just unclipping it's got 3 tabs, the white plastic cover. It's got 3 tabs, so 1, 2, and 3. It just comes right off. All that's left is the cable. Just twist it to 90 degrees and pull it out. And after that, it's held on the door lock itself with just in a clip there. Try not to break those clips. And that's pretty much it. I hope it helps you. And goodbye.